Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And I have another box by DermStore. It is their BeautyFix box. It is a monthly subscription. I'm showing you the price here. I believe I'm getting this price because I signed up for, I think it's 6 months. I will state on the screen if I am incorrect. But this is a box. I always get my value, but I want to show you something because I think it's funny. There's a sticker on the back of the box, and it says January BeautyFix 2026 child. Yeah, child. Not sure what that means. I think it's funny. Like, where's the parent, right? Okay, so opening up, it says we're here for the unabashed love of skin. And I'm just going to start diving in here. First item, it's by Beauty Stat Universal Triple Action Daily Peel. Powered by chemistry. It is 10 treatments, all skin. Let's see here. What can I tell you? Glucosamine, alpha beta acids. It exfoliates, it brightens, it firms, it reduces wrinkles. It says beyond wrinkles, dull skin and uneven skin tone can make skin look older as cell turnover declines. Hold up. Let me take my glasses off. Let me make sure that I'm reading that correctly. All right. Beyond wrinkles, dull skin and uneven skin tone can make skin look older. That makes sense. As cell turnover declines with age. All right. Thank goodness I took my glasses off, right? So our one-step peel provides clinical results at home. Brightens, smooths, evens, and firms immediately and over time for younger looking skin. What do I like? I like that we got 10 treatments. Now, I wouldn't use this every day. I'd probably use it every other day. But I like that they gave us 10 treatments. It feels like it is like a wet cloth wipe, kind of is what it feels like inside. But liking it a lot. All right, next item. I think this is hair stuff, isn't it? I saw the brand and that's why I made the assumption. And no, yes, it is. Okay. It's Christophe Robin Paris. It's a night recovery cream with lotus flower, fortified and supple hair. It is for fine to medium damaged hair. Okay, I love it's for fine hair because that's what I have. It says apply on dry, freshly brushed hair, working in sections from roots to ends. Wrap hair and leave overnight. Rinse and shampoo in the morning. I'm trying to think, I have another mask overnight that you put on your dry hair. I wonder if it's by the same company. I don't remember. I'll have to look, but I like it. I like it a lot. Oops. Kind of came out a little. All right. Oh goodness. I'm making a mess. I want to smell it. And goodness gracious, you guys. It smells like it's got a little fragrance, but I want to say vanilla-like. It's a nice, it's a sweet. It is a sweet smell. So yeah, excited to try that. All right, what else do we have in here? Is it Babor? These are ampule serum concentrate, instantly nourished, healthy looking skin within 7 days. Now, I will say, I used to really like getting these ampules because they seemed kind of fancy. it seemed like, wow, if something is in an ampule that I need to break the top off of, this must be a really high quality, great product. What I am finding is I put them in a little thing to make sure they don't get broken, then I forget about them. And then when I do use them, I can never use like a full ampule one time. So then I kind of set it off to the side, and then it gets forgotten about and it gets knocked over. So where I really liked getting ampules before, now I'm, yeah, you know. Ooh, these look nice. Okay, so cleanse, shake, put the little protective cover, snap the top, pour in your hand, apply, and moisturize. So these look to be single use items, which, yeah, and they are labeled day 1, 2 through 7. Here they are. So this is a very nice brand. This is a very nice product. My only thought though is it says guaranteed results in 7 days. 95% confirm healthy looking skin. Highly effective micronutrient blend of 19 amino acids. Proteins, minerals, electrolytes, lipids, and vitamins form a powerful recharging skin supplement. Ectoin promotes the strengthening of the skin barrier for more balanced skin. The richness of argan oil and squalene restores the skin's natural suppleness. Okay, I'm putting this in the video, so I do it. I am going to do the 7-day thing. Yeah, I'm going to do the 7-day thing. I'm going to take a picture of my skin, clean face, day 1, before putting it on, and then again day 2, 3 through 7 before I put it on, and then I guess it would be day 8, clean face. I'll take another picture and we'll see. Does it look 95% more healthy looking? Let's test it. I'm curious. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. So since I put it on here, I have to do it, so watch for it. Hold me to it. All right, another item by Verso. It's hydration serum with niacinamide. It is 10 mils, and it doesn't say sample size or anything like that on it. Here we go. I have I think 2 things of their eye cream. I like it because it is a very like silky gel-like. I guess it works okay. I mean, my under eyes look good, but I like the product, and I think that's what matters. All right, our last item. All right, this brand I'm just not a fan of. It is Grown Alchemist. It's a restorative hand cream. It is vanilla and orange peel. Now, what I will say, I always forget to use hand creams. I even take these to work, sitting them on my desk. This one I'm going to sit here. And I get busy through the day and I forget to use them. And that's why I took them to work, because I thought, well, if they're sitting there in my line of sight, I'll use them, but I don't. Orange peel. I love the scent of oranges. Love them. So maybe that will get me to use it more. So it says this beauty from within, a holistic approach that awakens, enlivens, alchemizes. Oh, now I'm just moving on to speaking French, but it's not sounding French. All right, so let's smell it. It is 65 mils or 2.1 fluid ounces. Here we go. So the classic container or tube, I guess you could say. I would really love it if they gave you one of those like key things that you could latch on and roll it down. All right, so it is sealed, so I'm going to puncture it, and I love that it's got the little puncture on the other side that I can just flip it and push it. All right, I'm going to put this, okay, so I actually have some Orange Blossom perfume from Jo Malone on, and here I am getting ready. So I've got to put it somewhere that I don't have that, or that I can't smell it. All right. So that actually was very runny. So like when I turned it, I didn't really need to squeeze it. It kind of just came out. Oops. Let's see, how orange does it smell? Not a fan of vanilla. It does smell orangey, but it has a nice smell to it as well. It's not vanilla. Yeah, it's not. It's not even going to sound right, but it feels like it kind of smells like, you know, there's the orange smell. And then there's the smell, if you smell the rind of the orange, that's more like what it smells like, which it is orange peel, right? Orange peel. So that makes total sense. Yeah, vanilla orange peel. So that makes total sense that that's what it would smell like. And that's exactly what it smells like, straight up orange peel. Wow, someone who actually has got something spot on. Now, I don't smell the vanilla, but that's a good thing because I just don't like vanilla. All right, so another great box from the DermStore. Cannot wait to test these. I love these like peel cloth things. Anxious to try this, anxious to try this. I'm going to sit this here, line of sight to start using it. So, all right, wraps up another beauty unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you'd like to stick around, I'd love for you to subscribe. Let me know your thoughts. And again, be on the lookout for me testing that. All right, guys, take care. Bye, everyone.